What's going on, guys? I got another awesome project via my YouTube channel. This is a Les Paul 2550 anniversary model. I actually have one of these and it needs a repair. The neck broke off and was glued back on pretty poorly, terribly actually. And the fretboard is missing the first and second fret. And so I have to replace the fretboard, and then I have to figure out how to repair the neck to keep it consistent. And at that same time, I want to keep the serial number and the Made in the USA stamp. So I've got to figure out how to do that. And not 100% sure how I really want to do that yet. I may pop the neck off, replace the strips, the ebony strips in the middle, rejoin them up here, and then repair the neck with actual new strips of maple somehow and get this stuff off and then recarve it. Maybe I'll keep the middle one. I don't know, looking for some suggestions from you guys, just sort of feeling this out. I definitely want to keep the headstock. The great thing about this is that the headstock is intact, which is huge, but it definitely needs a new fretboard, and I can use these inlays and create a new CNC inlay on my machine. And since I've got the dimensions of the first fret, that's actually pretty easy, and we'll try and match the coloring up as best we can. You know, you can tell that the coloring isn't all that great between some of them, so definitely needs a new fretboard. We'll try and reuse the side dots here. This is really bad. Like, this missing piece actually has a dip from all the stuff that's missing, and it looks like, I don't want to say it, but like hot glue gun was used to try and repair this. But it's got a Bigsby. That's not the original. Someone actually repaired and replaced, filled in the original bridge. He's got the original bridge, but I don't think we want to use the Bigsby. I don't know, we gotta let him decide that once we get this together. Definitely don't want to refinish the body, but want to get the neck back up to speed. You know, as I'm playing with this, it does feel slightly loose. I'm not sure if the truss rod is even active, because there's so much missing here. I don't know if it even will adjust. When I talked to the owner, I said this would probably be a year-long project, potentially, just because of letting this stuff dry, and I want to sort of wait and figure out how to do this right. Again, I wanted to get some of your guys' feedback on what to do. I've got a lot of flame Eastern Hard Rock maple, so what I probably would do would replace most of the wood up to the volute, and then maybe I'd carry a whole new piece down here and then do the tobacco dark burst to hide it, and that way you only have some pieces that you'd see underneath the new joint that I would replace. I guess I'd sort of replace the joint here. I don't know, we'll see. I want to get all this ebony replaced and routed out, but I don't know if I want to take the repair all the way up here. I don't know what to figure that out. But again, this is a Norland era guitar. It's not a pancake, which I thought it was the first time I looked at it. Guitar does not smell. Electronics look all original. Let's double check that. Save all these screws. There's no pickups, so we'll have to figure out what to put in here. Obviously something gold. Maybe if we could find some 70s pickups that we could use a coil tap. I don't know, I guess the pickups, when I talked to Trogley about mine, he made me an awesome offer, but I decided to keep it. So I don't know, we'll see. This definitely looks all original in terms of the electronics outside of the pickups. I hope they work and we don't have to replace them. Yep, those are original. What do they say? 79, I think. Looks like the grounding wire was not on here. This is all encapsulated. Oh, actually, so the switch was moved and deactivated. So the switch was here, but when they put the Bigsby in, they filled that hole. I don't remember where that was on mine. I missed that. But mainly the neck. First video. I'm gonna do this video series a little bit differently. I think I've been doing too much fast forwarding where I kind of cut out all the work. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing a piece at a time. I don't know if I'll film everything, but like I'll show you how to get the fretboard off. I'll show you how to get the neck off, and then how I do the repair. I'll go a little bit slower this time on this restore. This is the type of project I want to do, and I set expectations that it'll take a while to get done right. But an awesome project. Wanted to do just an intro on a broken headstock 2550 Les Paul. And it's awesome that I have got a guitar to base this off of. That's usually the key, is when you're working on stuff, do you have one to look at? And I do! So that's awesome. This will be a lot of fun. If you like guitar-related content, please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.